Northern by time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and our first order is going to be a Mr. Maple Donuts going 5 miles. Morning. Got Alex?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Total for that order was $7 and change. Just got the next order. This is going to be Starbucks, $10 going 5.5 miles. Hello.
Hi.
You got Matthew?
Perfect. There you go.
Thank you. Got the next order lined up right after this. It's going to be a McDonald's, $8 going 5 miles. There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
That is the second scare of spooky season. We've got a Chick-fil-A going across the river. This one's going 9 miles. I swear, I'm spending more and more time over there.
And the DoorDash for William right here.
Thank you.
It's my pleasure.
Bit of a wait there, but we finally got the order, so... Oh, I forgot this was going so far away. Oh, no. Okay, now we really gotta hope that I don't get towed, because... reasons. Decent tip, but I still don't think that was worth it. Total for that was $17. Okay, next up, we've got an order for Burgerville. This one's $9 going 6.5 miles. Most of it is driving to the restaurant itself, which, since I'm not in my zone, I was gonna do anyways.
Sorry about that wait. That's got everything for you.
Thank you.
Straws and everything comes back.
Gotcha.
Have a good one.
Brother, can you stop giving me orders heading back down there? Next up, we've got a Seize the Bagel going across the river again. This one is going to be another 9 miles. Hello. Harry? Okay, there we go. Finally, someone tipped. Well, people have been tipping, but you know what I mean. Total for that order was $20. Thank you very much. Just got the next order. This one is for a place called Jungle Jive. I want to say this is a coffee shack thing, but I'm not 100% sure. This one's going 8 miles, but once again, most of it was actually getting back into my zone. Hello.
Hi, good morning.
Morning. I just had to pick up for Sarah.
Perfect. Here's this guy. And the sandwich.
Thank you. Oh, wow. No tip. Total was $9. Love that for me. Huge waste of time and gas and everything. Got the next order right away. This is McDonald's going 2.5 miles.
Order 845.
Ma'am.
Turn it off for you.
Thank you.
$2. Thank you.
Another no tip. Total for that one was $4. Next up, we've got a Jack in the Box. This one's going 2 miles.
Straws are over there, okay?
Thank you.
Here Here's that for you.
Thank you.
you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. No tip in the app for that one, but she did hand me a crispy $5 bill. Thank you. Total for that order was $8. Pretty good. And we got the next order right away. This is Burgerville, going less than 2 miles. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Total for that order was $7 and change. Not bad. Going right back to Burgerville. This one's going to be $6, going half a mile. Thank you. Bit of a wait there, but order should still be decent. Ooh, this is going inside the mall on a weekend. Okay, parking lot is empty, so this should be an easy one. Okay, well that entrance is not open yet. There you are.
Here's our expensive.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good one.
What are these? Oh, those are
Popsicles. Yes. Yes.
Gotcha. Have a good one. Just got another crispy $5 bill. I'll take it. Thank you, thank you. So that makes that order $11. Really good, actually. But when I did get the next order as I was leaving the mall, this is a Taco Bell going about 3 miles.
Pizza for Andy?
Yeah. Thank you. Total for that order was $8 and change. Not bad at all. Okay, that's enough for me. Current time is 10:25. Current total, we are at 106, and I think I'm still waiting on one Uber tip, which should bring it up to 110. Plus the 2 cash tips. Thank you again for those. Should bring it up to, what is that, 120. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.